Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna draw blossoms from Powerpuff Girls. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna start drawing an oval shape for her head, like that. And then I'm gonna pick a point on the left and draw across to the right a line, and then I'm gonna draw a line upwards and then do a sharp turn downwards, and then from that point I'm gonna continue to the right and then go up and make a niche and go down and then to the right and make another niche there and then to the right. So on top of her head I'm gonna draw a semicircle, semi-oval perhaps, in the middle of the head like that. And then I'm gonna do an oval shape for the ribbons. On top of her head I'm gonna start at this point and go upwards and turn back down, and then the other one will be bigger, so I'm gonna draw a bigger one on this side and go down. For the eyes I'm gonna draw a circle at both sides of the face, starting from this point, and draw it downwards and up. And then for this side it's more of a circle and the left side is more of an oval, so I'm gonna start at this point to draw a circle, and to the sides I'm gonna repeat that. To the side of the face. Oops, I think I'm just gonna and then inside of that circle I'm gonna draw another circle, and then another one, and another one. I'm gonna fill up the second circle here. And then for the left side I'm gonna draw an oval from this point and go up, and then outside of that I'm gonna draw another oval shape, and then inside I'm gonna draw a round shape. And we're gonna fill that in. Now for the mouth, I'm gonna draw a semicircle in the middle of those two eyes, like that. Now for her hands, I'm gonna start drawing from this point a curved line downwards and outwards, and then turn it back up and to the face. I'm gonna mirror that for the right arms. Go down, turn that back up and to her face, and then from this point here I'm gonna draw a line downwards right past the hands and turn back up and stop there. And then on the right side I'm gonna draw the same thing, a line downwards past the hand, straight downwards and turn at the same point and goes up. And then from the sides here, just below the hands at the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that, and then another one on top here, and then another one on top here. And then at the ankle here, I'm going to draw a line across as well, and the same goes to the right side. And then slightly below that, I'm going to draw a line here and then make a semicircle below that. Repeat that for the left side, and we can fill that in. And for the hair on her back, I'm gonna take a point here and draw a short line downwards, and then beyond that, on the side of her right hand, I'm gonna draw a curve outwards and make a sharp turn and go back in. And we're gonna continue that line all the way behind of her legs, right across and there. And from that point, I'm gonna turn that, make a curve upwards to her hand. And now on this side, I'm gonna draw a short line like that, and then in the middle another one, and on this side as well. So there we have it, Blossom from Powerpuff Girls. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.